Welcome to WCVA's new website. We've all been working very hard over the last year to produce a new website that will be easier to use, will be more interesting, and will contain all the information and news that you need about the third sector. It's packed with new features. We've brought together all of our social media activities on one platform, so you can see our blogs, our Twitters, our videos and our photos all on one easy to find place. We've also brought together our training and conference offer and enable people now to book online to make again that easier for you. Our funding information, other information is also there now on our main website, and we hope you'll use that well. We are of course a membership organisation, and our website is aimed both at members and at the general public, and it also offers a clear idea of the benefits of membership for our 3,000 members who have got a special area on the website. So altogether we've tried to bring something fresh and lively which will provide insight and a showcase, not just for WCVA but for the third sector in Wales as a whole.